In every corner of every city, you will find a bubble tea store. They're all the rage at the moment, and I can understand why. They're super delicious. What they are is an iced tea, and it has loads of different flavours with one of the key ingredients, tapioca pearls. So I'm going to make you a lychee one. This is my absolute favourite to make at home. So in a jug, I'm going to add some tea, and this is just some brewed black tea. We'll pop that in. I've also cooled it down slightly. To that, I'll add some almond milk, but you can use any milk you like. And to sweeten this up, again, it's to your taste, I'm going to use condensed milk. So we'll add a tablespoon or so. I'm going to use a little swizzle stick to mix everything together. And that's the tea component done. For our lychees, I want them to be in smaller pieces. I'm going to use these frozen lychees. They're fantastic because they're frozen when they're at their optimum ripeness. So we'll just grab a few of these out. You want them to be quite small, pretty much the size as the black tapioca pearls, because the whole idea of a bubble tea is to be able to suck it all up through the straw. So nice small pieces, just like that. And let's start building the bubble tea. So I've got some ice in some glasses. We'll just separate our lychee pieces into each glass. So with the tapioca pearls, I've just cooked them in some water and then chilled them down. You can find them at all good Asian stores. Even some supermarkets have them now. And our delicious sweet almond tea, we'll pour that over the top. Last one, fill up, and that is not only a fun drink, but it's super refreshing. And you can't use any straw for this. You have to use a wide straw so you can drink that and taste the tapioca pearls and the delicious sweet lychee. Enjoy.